And the country is losing millions of shillings daily in a tax evasion scheme between Kenya Revenue Authority employees and crafty importers. And as our very own Sam Ogina now reports, importers and KRA officials at the Namanga border are now using fake import declaration forms to fraudulently allow trucks from Tanzania into the country without paying the required tax. Now, the unscrupulous trader is avoiding the Mombasa port because of its high-tech detection system. Once again, here's Sam.
The country is bleeding from shrinking revenue collection, and a clique of KRA officials and shrewd businessmen are leading in tax evasion. Documents in our possession reveals an intricate scheme in which KRA officials allow the use of a single entry invoices to aid in misdeclaration, thereby denying the country the much-needed revenue. Importers are now avoiding the Mombasa port, instead using the port of Dar es Salaam, then Namanga border, before making their entry into Kenya. The choice of Namanga border quite strategic, as it is not fortified with high-tech detection system able to tell what is contained in a container. Namanga only having a scanner, and with compromised KRA staffers, some trucks show up at the border post and log the wrong cargo in the import declaration form for the compromised workers to clear the goods without proper verification. Other than this misdeclaration, the schemers have also been using single-entry invoices to register multiple entries. For instance, between the 4th and 5th of October, 20 trucks bringing in LPG gas went through the Namanga border into Kenya. But with connivance of KRA officials, 6 trucks could not be accounted for, bleeding the country over 6 million shillings in tax. To make the system foolproof, KRA requires that upon arrival at the port, an entry of the consignment is made, and in case of petroleum products, a custom oil stocks information system COSIS is entered. This for easy tracking in taxation. After verification, the cargo is not released until an exit note has been filed. At the Namanga border, these procedures are openly flouted. With the COSIS system missing, traders will produce Tanzanian entry reports, and if not, the Kenyan side will produce fake import declaration forms under declaring what is contained in the cargo. Ironically, after verification, the consignment will be released even before an exit note has been entered, making it difficult to intercept the trucks. On October 1st, 2 trucks went through the Namanga border, the importer being Pine Energy, getting their LPG gas from Mozambique. Interestingly, only 1 truck is recorded to have gone through the scanner at the border, despite inspection showing 2 trucks passed through the Namanga border. On the 3rd of October 2020, still at the Namanga border, 2 trucks from Tanzania used the same entry number into the country. With a total of 17 trucks at the border, a whopping 11 trucks were cleared without going through KRA scanning machines, this costing the country millions of shillings in tax losses. On the 4th of October 2020, with a total of 11 trucks ferrying LPG gas crossing the Namanga border, systems at KRA headquarters indicated 6 trucks cannot be accounted for as they mysteriously vanished from the system. This is a reflection of the route at the Namanga border, with Times Towers now calling for investigation of the KRA Namanga border team for ignoring the KRA mandate to scan every consignment at border points fitted with scanning machines. Sam Ogina, Citizen TV, Nairobi.